world of hospitality, understanding COGS, cost of goods sold, is crucial for successful operations. COGS represents the direct costs incurred in providing goods and services to guests, influencing overall profitability and ensuring financial sustainability. COGS encompasses various aspects like food and beverage costs, the ingredients and supplies necessary for crafting delectable dishes and premium beverages form the foundation of FB expenses. Additionally, labor costs associated with chefs, servers, and bartenders further contribute to this segment, ensuring that every guest receives exceptional service. Overhead costs related to kitchen equipment and utensils also play a pivotal role, capturing the nuances of maintaining a well-functioning culinary operation. Room COGS is another essential component. Housekeeping supplies, from linens to toiletries, are essential for maintaining guest satisfaction and hygiene. Laundry costs must also be factored in, ensuring that every item remains pristine and inviting. Amenities provided in guest rooms contribute to the overall experience, along with energy and utility costs necessary to create a comfortable environment. Maintenance and repair costs keep the property in top shape, directly impacting guest perception. Other COGS elements, such as minibar and in-room dining costs, reveal the intricacies of hospitality management. Spa and wellness costs reflect the growing emphasis on guest comfort and relaxation, offering services that enhance the overall experience. Even gift shop expenses find their place in this financial landscape, impacting the bottom line and guest satisfaction. Calculating COGS in hospitality involves determining total revenue from rooms and FB sales. By calculating the total COGS for each department, businesses can express COGS as a percentage of overall revenue. This practice not only provides a clear picture of financial health, but also identifies areas for potential cost reduction. Recognizing the importance of COGS helps hospitality businesses manage profitability effectively. By monitoring these costs, operators can develop informed pricing strategies, enhance budgeting and forecasting, and support vital decision-making for inventory management. Streamlining these processes contributes to a culture of efficiency and excellence. In conclusion, a keen insight into COGS empowers hospitality businesses to optimize operations and improve profitability. By understanding and controlling these costs, they can provide better services to guests, ensuring a memorable experience that keeps them returning.